Ever wonder how you can look at 10 years younger instantly with one simple skincare treatment? Stay tuned because I've got all the juicy details and the how-to instructions. This simple 5-minute skincare treatment that can make you look 10 years younger instantly is Microderm Abration. And what Microderm Abration is a treatment that resurfaces the skin, the outer layer of skin. Back in the beauty control days, we used to call it cornflakes, raisins, and grapes because the 3 layers of skin. Why we talk about the cornflakes, grapes, and raisins, because our skin, over time, the dead skin cells we have got to remove for any makeup or especially skincare treatments are going to be effective and even be able to be absorbed at that point. Because if you've got dry, flaky skin on the outer layer of your skin, you are not going to be able to have the most flawless makeup application. Makeup is going to sit in your lines, it's going to crease and cake, and you have to be able to exfoliate at least once a week. And this is the best tool ever. It is a Microderm Abrasion rotating scrub brush. And this one is from Beauty Control years ago when I was a senior VIP. And it has 3 cycles, gentle, normal, and off. And actually, it is a rotating skin tool that helps the exfoliation process. This little tool or any kind of exfoliation tool, whether you are using a scrub with your hands or a skincare pad with the little exfoliation beads, something, anything to exfoliate your skin, it will literally take 10 years off your skin. I promise you, it is instant. The before and after is amazing. And who benefits from this awesome little rotating scrub brush tool? Anyone who wants younger, more radiant looking skin and a more even texture, the lack of dullness. It helps all those things. And it has an extra benefit because anytime you are using this amount of circulation like comes out of this little rotating scrub tool, you are producing collagen, because any kind of stimulation that you do to your skin is going to bring massive amounts of oxygen to the surface of our skin, which stimulates cell growth and collagen production. And stay tuned because in this next clip, I've got step-by-step how-to instructions. The first step to the microdermabrasion treatment is to wet your face with lukewarm water. Now, if you were doing this in the shower, you obviously would not have to do this, but because for the sake of a video, I'm doing it at the sink. So wet your face with lukewarm water. Now you are going to take your cleanser and take a small amount of your cleanser, and we're going to avoid the eye area. And so we have our cleanser on our face, and we're going to take the rotating scrub tool. Now we are working upward and outward in rotating motion. You do not have to press. Let the scrub do the job. And what this is doing, like I said, it's taking off the outer layer of skin. Avoid the eye area completely. Be sure and get up as close to your hairline as possible. Now, after we're done with the microdermabrasion, we are going to rinse again with lukewarm water. Now, after you finish the microdermabrasion, you are not to go in the sun, direct sunlight, or use any kind of other chemical peels or anything like that. Towel dry. Blot, do not rub. Towel dry as usual and proceed with your makeup and skincare application. And as you can see, it is so fast and so easy. This is a powerful little tool, but you can find it at Walmart.com or Amazon for around $30. Now, I paid quite a bit more for this one because it is waterproof and it's from Beauty Control, and I've had this for so long. I love this one because it's waterproof, like I said, so I do it in the shower. I recommend once a week, but it is so easy. The one thing that I have always recommended to any of my clients, whether it is Beauty Control, Lancome, or anyone else, is this Microderm Abration tool. So if you're ready to turn back the clock and get instantly radiant skin, you can see the before and afters because you can see what my skin looked like in the bathroom mirror a few minutes ago. It is amazing. I highly recommend a rotating scrub brush tool. It is the most excellent form of microdermabrasion. It is the most effective skincare treatment you could ever give yourself as a DIY at home. And don't forget to check out the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. The ebooks are free to you. All you have to do is go to kimsbeautybiz.com, and I have a wealth of information and knowledge that I share with you in my exclusive ebooks. So you guys, till next time, I love you always. Much love.